So what makes a robot? A robot which is not able to detect its environment and understand it and make decisions based on this environment. It is not a robot, it is just a machine. So basically a robot is a machine with extra brain. For better understanding, let's look at the real world scenario. In a real world, there will be humans and there will be other robots or machines. So let's consider this particular robot. So this robot in the real world should be able to sense its environment and it should have this perception. Perception is the ability to see, hear or become aware of something through its sense. And it should have this cognition. Cognition is the mental action or process of acquiring knowledge and understand it through the thoughts, experience and sense. So based on this acquired knowledge and understanding, it should do this action which suits this environment and its purpose. We understood the definition of a robot. Now what is ROS2 and how ROS2 helped me to build such a robot? For this we have to understand the ROS2 framework. ROS means Robot Operating System. Now we have the latest release ROS2, which is the complete revamp of the previous generation ROS1, which added a lot of new features that ROS1 was lacking.